Bililit.
Sabi ko
Hindi siya yun na. Ako yun.
Si Hansen ganun mo?
Si Bililit niya, yun.
Si Manyanyan.
Mangyayari.
Manyangyari.
Mangyayari. Mangyayari. Diba?
Mangyayari. Mangyayari din siya.
Mangyayari.
Christian. There you go. Small but terrible. Christian.
Christian.
Ganda ng tunog.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Uy, yun. Karoon ba yan? Wow, that's it too.
Sinaka niya, Kuya Gary.
Actually, wala nga eh. Kano yan?
Dali na.
Kano yan?
Huwag mong tatanungin.
Labo.
Wala ka niya, no? Ito, wala rin ako nito. Tanggal, eh. Wala rin yung...
Clowns. Larny. Who's Billy?
Ano ko ba dyan?
Kasama rin ako dyan. Kala nyo. That sounds so much like Crawford, man. That's so cool. He was cool.
Wow. Sounds so expensive.
Samahan mo ito. Marinig ka ba? Marinig ka. Dali lang. Mahal yan.
Endorson.
Mahal ka niyan. Sige, isang araw, hindi gagana yan.
Hindi, talaga ito mahal ko talaga.
Hindi man nangyari after.
Manyangyari.
Nangyari.
Sa loob na.
Every time.
Once or how many times na?
3. Every time, so I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna continue. Ayan po. May mangyayari mamaya.
Ako ba ganyan yung kumo?
Hindi naman.
Makala ko. Yung isang tao dyan, may mga CD din, ha? Bakit?
O nga naman.
Kailangan namimigay.
O nga naman, Teacher Monet. Ano ba yun?
Kaya nga medyo nobela nilalagay ko. Baka lang sakaling may dumating.
Wow!
Pamumudmod.
Next.
Ano bang pamumudmod na CD din?
Next. Boys and girls.
Lizzie, Lizzie.
Thank you, sir.
Page 2, bukas.
I already have the book. I already have the book. I already have the book.
No.
Ikaw, Chris, kanina ka pa. Niloloko mo ako,
Oo nga pala, nutok ako.
Ano?
Nagnunutok. Nunutok na ako sa...
Teka, masyado malalim yata yun. Ano yun?
No talk, man.
No talk.
It's a self-imposed no talk policy.
If you just move away. Take it.
Very comfortable.
Hey, come on. What is it, H.U. Jay? How you doing, Jay? You okay, Jay?
That was an introduction.
Thank you, Kuya Gary. Thank you, Kuya Billy.
I'm gonna take Kuya Gary out now, so you can. Ayaw umalis.
Together. Dapat kanina pa, no? Dapat kanina pa I heard you guys sing. That's what I wanted to do. Get really intimate in that way. Really, I've been really blessed by you guys. You know, your desire to do what is right and to get what's best out of all of this. You know, if it's fame you're looking for, remember fame comes and goes. You know, but the talent does not. So you maximize it now, plant good seed, and you'll grow a forest later on. All right.
Yeah.
So God bless you guys. Thank you. But you know, I did this once before I left. Not with the group of Yang. It was with another group, with Sina Gerard and Kim. And I prayed with them before I left. Is that okay if I do that here?
Yeah.
Okay. Father, I taus-puso akong nagpapasalamat, Lord, sa pagkakataon na naibigay mo sa akin